YouTube, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. And welcome to another Friday Night Funkin' video. This is not the Roblox version this time. This isn't like an actual mod that I'm playing. I guess there's only normal. Oh. Oh, okay. So the mod I'm playing right now is Tabi V2. Which, it may be multiple parts. We'll see. It depends on, like, how it goes. But I'm ready to play. So let's do this. I'm excited. I'm excited. I'm excited. I'm happy.
3, 2, 1, go!
Let's dance. Okay. So this is, yeah, Tabi V2. However, it says it's a restored build. A restored canceled build of it. Okay? I'm actually FCing right now. Oh, I missed. Okay. You guys kind of got to see my fingers a little bit. Okay. Okay, not too bad. Not too bad. Please not now.
3, 2,
Here we go.
go!
So that last song was called My Battle, and that was the V2 version of Welcome to this one called Last Chance V2. Okay. Oh, I wasn't paying attention. Whoa! Okay! Okay! Let's go! I played V1 of Tabi before. And, they did pretty good. It was like one of the best mods. One of the best mods. Keep in mind, like I said to you guys, this is not the Roblox version. This is the actual thing. It's not Newgrounds, though. It's on a website called KBH Games, I think. So, yeah. Alright, next game. Or next song. V1, the last song was Genocide. Will it be the exact same thing?
3, 2, 1, go!
Okay, it definitely sounds different. What is this one? Genocide, yeah, Genocide V2, okay. Oh, he's pissed. Okay. Okay, come on. I would do much better if it was not on my Chromebook. I suck, dude. It's only because I'm on Chromebook. And it looks like this is only a BF rough draft for his poses. Except for his ideal. Let's try something else. Okay. Okay. Okay, I docked that perfect. I hope I was not blocking that last part, bro. I swear. Right. Onward. Actually, you know what? I'll make a part 2. I will see you all in part 2. Thank you all so much for watching this FNF video. I will see you in part 2. Peace.